Hey guys, it's Blayde again from Cardio Security, and today we're looking at this absolutely stunning E12 528. We've got the owner here as well to go through the whole story of this car. Let's get into it. Kurt, how you doing? You okay?
I'm very good, thank you.
So, tell me about your car.
Yes, it's a 1977 E12. I bought it because we had expansion in the family. We have two kids. Before this, I had a E36 coupe, so it was better for children and the wife to have a crew. So I sold the E36 and I bought this. So, and it's a hobby, so it has to be modified.
And you've done a couple of tasteful mods, as I can see. So a set of BBS
E50's.
E50's?
Yes, full magnesium.
And they are
converted to 17 inch.
So they step up to 17.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, nice. And what kind of widths are you working with?
I think it's 9 wide in front and it's 10 and a half in the back.
Okay, yeah, so pretty standard fitment, and they're basically tucking all around. I'm
Yes.
assuming you're on airlift performance.
Yes, airlift, yes.
So have you installed this yourself? Or you got
No, I'm in construction, so no,
Okay.
no, cars is not for me. I had it done by a Belgium firm, the air suspension, because the front, they're very difficult. The front suspension is custom built,
Okay.
So it doesn't exist. The rear, it's just simple, but the rest, no, it's not for me. The installment, I just paid the guys and I said, okay, it's good. The wheels I had for my E36, so I had them rebuilt. My friend to polish, the air refreshener is from him. He does powder coating and he built the set for me. So he refurbished them for my E12 because they were too wide, and this is how it's done.
Yeah, it looks fantastic.
At first it was only BMW. I went to Germany, Syndicate, it was very fun. But then I got really into the quality of the cars with my E36 and I got into really good events. But then yeah, the children came, so I had to sell it. And then I really fell in love with the E12. My girl said, yeah, okay, what are you going to do? I said, yeah, you want a 5 Series? I can buy an E28 or E12. She said, yeah, I really love the E12. I said, okay, I really love this one too. It was for sale, but it was modified before. It had hydraulics, it had also custom wheels, but he sold the parts separate because he couldn't sell it. His asking price was too much.
Right.
So he sold it in parts, and then I said, okay, I'll give you an offer for the car. It's now or never.
Right.
And I looked at the car. I said, okay, that's my offer. Take it or leave it. And I said, okay, I'm gonna sell it to you because I think you would be a very good owner for the car. I drove it for a couple of months. It was good. Then I had it modified with the airlift.
Yep.
I had some custom wheels that I had for my E36 RCs, 3-piece.
Oh yeah.
But it stood outside. With the other owner, it was always inside.
Right.
So there was never a problem. But outside, yeah, it had blisters everywhere. The rust became visual.
Yeah.
So I said to my friend, who's in a body shop, he has his own body shop. I said, okay, mate, what we're gonna do? And he said, yeah, I think the only thing you can do is to repaint it. The original color is, you can see it in the engine bay. It's a typical E12 color.
Right.
It's red, but it's more orange.
Yeah.
So I said, okay, I don't want it in that color. I want something different. I want more dark, more red. And he said, okay, you have carte blanche. We're gonna choose a color that's the same period as the car.
Yeah.
He said, okay, I'm gonna make you 3 samples. He said a Porsche color and the original color and then another color that's also original BMW. And I chose the Porsche color. It's a 1977 Porsche color. It's a mulberry red metallic. It has a beautiful flake in it. It's shifted in colors with the sun. It's very beautiful. I really love it.
Yeah, it's definitely a gorgeous color, and yeah, like you say, with different lights, just looking at it, it does kind of shift color, like you say. It's really stunning.
Yes.
Really nice. In terms of the interior, have you done any other modifications, or is it all standard?
No, the interior is full standard, it's stock. I want to keep it that way, this interior. In the future, I want to change it. I have another E12 for parts. It has an interior that's not so good, but I want to give it a brown brown color, like the door panels. You will see the wood. Yeah, I want to have the same color, the interior as the wood.
Yeah,
so I don't have to change the door panels.
Yeah. And this is the 528.
It was a 528, but they swapped it with a 35.
Okay.
So it's a 535.
535?
Yes.
Okay. Can we have a look under the bonnet?
Yeah, you can have a look under the bonnet, yes. You don't see a lot of difference, but it's a 2 carburetor. Normally a 3.5 is not with carburetors.
Right.
But if you change it to injection in Belgium, you can have a problem.
Really?
Yeah. Here you can change everything.
Right.
Yes, but in Belgium you cannot even change this.
Oh.
Because then say, yeah, it's not original, it's not good, but this is 6-cylinder, it was a 6-cylinder, so they don't see the difference.
Fair enough.
But if you change it to injection, it's a problem.
Okay.
So yeah, that's why it's 2 carburetor, but I want to switch it to 3 carburetor because a 35 really needs 3 carburetors. So I'm gonna change the engine a little bit, I'm gonna clean it up, and then yeah, it's gonna need a lot of money.
Yeah, yeah.
It's not done. It's not done.
Well, they're never finished though, are they?
No, no,
cars
it's
are never finished.
old-timer forever. It's 200 horsepower, so it's really fast. It is a 3-speed automatic. So yeah, but I really want it on automatic because I want to cruise.
Yeah, just a
It's
lazy
a cruise
cruiser.
car. Yeah, it's just a cruise car. It's really fast. My friend has a turbocharged. I can follow him easily. Yeah, so it's a lot of fun. And the weight, yeah, it's a ton and a half.
Yeah.
So it's
not too bad.
no, not too bad. So.
Not too bad at all.
But it's, yeah, I really like it. I really like it.
Is there any big future plans for it other than kind of finishing up parts? Is there anything?
The first thing I want to do is the engine, maybe the 3 carburetors and then the exhausts, because that's really necessary for good driving. And then we'll do the interior. And then maybe the trunk later as the last. And then it's good to drive.
Yeah. Okay, so thank you very much for showing us the car. It's a gorgeous example and you've done really, really well with this. Last thing before I let you go, can we see it going up and down?
Of course.
Yeah?
No problem.